Hello students, I hope you are well. So in today's class we will do exercise 2E. Okay, exercise 2E, page number 24. Exercise 2E, page number 24. I will do sum number, I will start from sum number 10. Okay, so let's begin. Number 10. You have already done multiplication. For instance, see here, this 13 number question, you have already done multiplication of 2-digit number. 2 digits here, 2 digits here. So you know how to do this multiplication. But what happens when we have 3 digit here and 2 digits here? Today you will, in this class, today you will learn how to do this. Okay? So let me copy the question first. The question is 231 multiplied by 70. Okay, so let's count. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21, 7 twos are 14, 14 plus 2 14, 15, 16. Now you already know that we have to put a 0 here in the second step. Then 1 ones are 1, 1 threes are 3, 1 twos are 2. And now what do we do here? You know we have to add. So 7 plus 0 becomes 7, 1 plus 1 becomes 2, 6 plus 3 becomes 9 and 2 plus 1 becomes 3. So this becomes the answer. 3927 becomes the answer. Very easy. Now let's do question number, I did question number 10. Now let's do question number 12. I am doing question number 12. I have missed question number 11. You do question number 11 in your homework. Okay. Now question number 12. 639 multiplied by 50. Okay. 9 fives are 45. I write 5 here. Carry forward 4. 5 threes are 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 6 fives are 30 plus 1, 31. I have multiplied 5 with 9, 3 and 6. Now we will multiply 1 with 9, 3 and 6. So in the second step, you know, we have to put a 0 here. So 1 nines are 9, 1 threes are 3 and 1 6 are 6. Now we are going to do addition. 5 plus 0 becomes 5, 9 plus 9 is 18, 8 here, carry forward 1, 3, 4, 5, 5, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 6 plus 9, 6 plus 3 is 9. So 9585 becomes the answer. I had given you homework till 20, so you must be done till 20. So now I will do question number 21. Question number 21 is 197 multiplied by 13. 197 multiplied by 13. So let's do it. 7 threes are 21. We are carrying forward this 2. 9 threes are 27, 28, 29. 29. 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 4, 5. 0. Second step 0. 1 sevens are 7, 1 nines are 9 and 1 ones are 1. Now we will we will do addition. 1 plus 0 is 1. 9 plus 7 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16, carry forward this 1. Now 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 5 is how much? Easy, 15. 1 here and 5 here. And 1 plus 1 becomes 2. So 2561. So 2561 becomes the answer. Alright. So I did question number 21. You do question number 22, 23 on your own. 22 on your own, do 23 on your own, do 25. Okay, now you see in this sums you have a 0 here. So let's solve a question which has a 0 in the middle. So let me do question number 24. Let's do question number 24. Now what is the question? 405 multiplied by 15. 405 multiplied by 15. Okay, 5 5s are 25. 5 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2. 5 4s are 20. Done. 0 here. 1 5s are 5. 1 zeros are 0. We put 0 here, and 1 4s are becomes 4. Now we will do addition. You know we have to do addition. 5 5 6 7. 0 0 is always 0, and 4 plus 2 is 6. So 6075 becomes the answer. 6075 becomes the answer. Done. Okay, let me do one more. You do 26 on your own. Now let me do 20. You do 26 on your own. Let me do 27. Now question number 27. What is question number 27? 803 multiplied by 15. 803 multiplied by 15. 803 multiplied by 15. Let's see solve. 5 3s are 15. 1 5. 1 here. 5 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1 is always 1. 8 5s are 40. Easy. We put a 0 here. 1 3s are 3. 1 zeros are 0. 1 8s are 8. Now we'll add. 5 plus 0 becomes 5. 3 plus 1 becomes 4. 0 0 is 0, and 8 plus 4 is 12. See? So the answer becomes 12,045. 12,045 becomes the answer. So we are done with 27. Now let me do one more exercise one more sum from this exercise. I will do this last one, 29, and the rest 28, 30, 31, 32, 33 and 34. You do all of these in your homework. Okay, remember to do your homework. Now I will do last question from this exercise, question number 29. 990 multiplied by 15. Now let's see how we can solve this. Question number 29. Question number 29. What was the question? 990. Okay. 990 multiplied by 15. 5 zeros are 0. 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. 46, 47, 48, 49. 9 5s are 45 plus 4, 49. Now put another 0 here. 1 zeros are 0. 1 9s are 9, and 1 9s are 9. Now we have to add these two numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. 9 plus 9 is 18. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. 18 and carrying forward this 1. 9 plus 1 becomes 10. 10 plus 4 becomes 14. So 14,850. 14,850 becomes the answer. Okay, becomes the answer. So see, I have done question number 10, 12, 21, 24, 27 and 29 in the class, and the rest you will do in your homework. Okay, very easy sums. Exercise 2E, I have also mentioned which are the homeworks. Now we will move on to exercise 2F. We will move on to exercise 2F. Now let's do question number 1. Now let's do question number 1. Question number 1. Now see students, you see in all these numbers you see a 0 at the end. 43 multiplied by 20, 15 multiplied by 20. Okay, you see all these, right? Now let me solve question number 43. Now let's solve this. 0 3 is a 0, 4 zeros are 0. You know you have to put a 0 here. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 6 is 6. Nothing is there. So 8 will come down. 860 becomes the answer. Easy. Very easy sum. Now students, there is a shorter method also to do these sums. When you come across numbers who have 0 in the digit, 0 at the end of the digit, you can use the shorter trick method also. Now let me show you how we do it. See, 43 and 20. When you see that there is a 0 at the end of a number, you can also do this. You can follow this short trick only when there is a 0 at the end of the number. Okay, not other times. So what are we going to do? We are going to forget this 0 and we are only going to focus on this 2. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. And now what about this 0? Where will this 0 go? This 0 will simply come down and sit here. See, done. In a single step you can get the answer. In the longer method we got 860. In the shorter method also we got 860. What do we have to do? We have to simply forget this 0 for the time being and focus only on the number which is on the left side. Whatever is the number, you simply 3 2s are 6 do here and 4 2s are 8 do like this. And what about the 0? You simply put it here. Now let me do another to explain it better. Now let's do exercise question number 6. 26 and 80. 0 6 are 0, 0 2s are 0. Done. Now we have to put another 0 here. 8 6 is how much? 48. You know, right? 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4 is how much? 20. No? Now we are going to add. 0 is 0 is 0. 0 plus 8 is 8. Nothing is there on the top, so we are going to simply put these numbers here. 2080 becomes the answer. Now what about the short trick? 26 and 80. I have told you the short trick will only work when there is a 0 at the end of the number. When the numbers are in, for instance 10, 20, 30, 40, when if you have a 0 at the end, only then you can apply this short trick method. So 8 6 are 48, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 4 is 20. And what about this 0? We are done multiplying with 8, right? Now what about this 0? We are going to put this 0 here. Done. Here also 2080 and here also 2080. Done? Easy? So for your homework, I did question number 1 and 6. For your homework, you do 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8. Okay. You do all these sums. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8. You do for your homework. And if you want to do further, if you want to do more sums, you can also try doing questions from 9 to 14. You can try doing questions from 9 to 14. So we are done with today's class, right? So bye students.